Congratulations on your new Job Slots subscription. We're excited to start connecting you with your next great hire. Get ready to recruit on your schedule with flexible, cost-effective, interchangeable job postings that you can swap in and out anytime with no expiration dates. How does a job slot work? Well, it's like having an assigned parking spot. Keep a job parked in a spot for as long as needed to reach our unique pool of qualified, industry-focused job seekers. Once you fill the position or want to advertise another role, close that job and put another one in its spot. To maximize exposure to talent in your sector, we send your job directly to matching candidates in branded emails, and we push your job to the top of search results every 15 days. Right from our platform, you can also brand your job postings, manage your applicants, sort, tag, filter, and message your candidates. iHire's job slots will fast-track you to hassle-free hiring. Do you have questions or need assistance? Then reach out to our dedicated customer success team by phone at 866-238-0161 or email us at customersuccess@ihire.com. And happy hiring!